Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock Candyworks Caravan for the newly added event called Crownfall in Dota 2. To do so, you first need to open your Dota 2 via the Steam client and then click on Act 1, which will bring up the overworld map of the event. So to unlock this Candyworks Caravan, which is right over here, all you need to do is complete the road to Midgate first. There are 5 quests here. You need to complete all these, which will take you to the market. And to unlock this, all you need to do is complete 3 of the quests and it will take you to the market 3, and which will unlock the Candyworks Caravan. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming